Everybody, I would like to do a vocal review of this Best Western located in Yucca Valley in Southern California. Hi everybody, I rented a suite and I went for about $160 per night. It comes with a sofa bed as well as a king-size bed here. Everything looks nice and clean. Bed looks comfortable. Okay. There's the sofa with the sofa bed here. Alright. So with the suite, it's gonna be more spacious than a regular room. And let me show you the bathroom here. Here's the bathroom. It's spacious and clean. Here's the cafeteria section. They don't allow sittings in here. But anyways, the breakfast here is very limited. Not a whole lot of stuff. So compared to other Best Western we stay at recently, this breakfast is on the low end in terms of selections and availability. You even have out of order drinks there. I took a shower in here last night and there was an issue with this shower head. Apparently it was not screwed on tightly enough, so the water was coming out from the back here, so I had to tighten it. I paid about $160 for this suite. It's a nice suite. It's spacious, clean. Beds were comfortable. However, there were a few negatives here. One is the breakfast is very limited, hardly any selections, and the juice fountain was out of commission, so that was not good. And in addition, the shower head was not installed properly. So I would give this hotel a satisfactory rating. Maybe a 3 out of a 5. Alright, signing off. Bye.